I know this may sound like a silly question, but we've been asked, is TRT legal? We'll find out after this, so keep watching. So we are back and we're going to talk about, is TRT legal? I know it seems like a silly question, but Sam, he's going to answer.
Yeah, so some people have asked this, and if you're, I think first of all, classifying TRT as obviously seeking medical treatment from a doctor and doing it in the correct channels. If you're talking about trying to source black market hormones and drugs and doing it, that's a different thing. So if we're talking about seeing a doctor who works in this area, getting diagnosed, being treated, that's not illegal. That is legal. It's the same thing as being a diabetic or needing thyroid hormone, other hormone therapies. It is something that is a medical treatment and isn't illegal.
That's right.
I think that's pretty much what I've got to say.
Yeah, I mean, what would be illegal would be, in some states, some countries, could be doctor shopping, where you shop around and try to gather as much of a controlled substance from many different doctors. That would be illegal.
Yeah.
And getting black market steroids in some countries may be considered illegal.
Mm-hmm. So, yeah, you need to just find someone who's a doctor or a clinic that has doctors, and then just go down the proper routes.
I mean, that's one of the benefits of our service that we provide for our patients, is that you get a pharmacy, a legally licensed pharmacy, to as well as a doctor, and working as an entire team to support you and make sure you're getting legal, safe testosterone treatment.
So obviously, if you do have any worries about this, you can reach out to us.
Or contact your solicitor.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the lawyer in America.
Lawyer. Yeah. If you actually need help and you're looking into TRT or HRT, you can reach out to us, and the team will help you get organised with getting in touch with us and taking the first steps. So thanks for watching. This has been Is TRT Legal? Look like we're reading the news with our hands.
And we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and the notifications so you don't miss any of our content, because there's a lot more coming out. So see you next time.
Yeah, and you can comment.
Oh yeah, we like the comments.
Talk about comments.
Yeah, we like the comments.
Comment as well, if that's helpful. Yeah.
We normally answer the comments.
Yeah, you're better than me at answering comments, but people will be there to hopefully answer.
All right,
thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.